what would you say are the three most effective things you've done to get people, to attract people, even conversations, forget just people that have closed, but like someone's out there, they're like, I'm sold. This model seems great. I'm going to do it. I came up with a price. I came up with an offer. Now I just need customers.
Yeah.
I need partners or somebody to buy this. What are three things they can do or three things that have worked for you?
Okay, well, the first thing is that I just put out this model on my LinkedIn and I also put it on X. So I said I want to work with
Mhm.
partners in a different way next year, and I sort of walked through my thinking, and that's how you found me through
Yeah,
to
that's
do
how you got
this,
me.
right? Yeah, and I also on the X side, I got another potential sponsor actually that I'm just remembering who DM'd me there, and I DM'd them back sort of the range of pricing, and they were like, "Yep, I could totally do that. So let's talk in the new year." So I actually haven't talked to them
Mhm.
because I don't have a spot for them right now, but that works. So to put it out there to
By
your
the way, read the
audience,
book
right?
I'll give you another book recommendation. Read the book Oversubscribed
Oh,
and
yeah,
talk to the
okay.
best thing you can have is more people wanting your thing than you have open slots. Add them to a
Yes,
waiting list.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Right, and the other thing is, as an aside, I think creators being networked, you could also go to your creator network and say, "I'm looking to work with Workflowy or whoever else. Does anyone have a contact there? Has anyone worked with them?" So if you're in Slack communities or even on LinkedIn, you could say that. You could put out your dream partners. "I'd really love to work with Honeybook," or whoever it is, and sort of see if anyone has a contact for you there. The other thing I would do is look through brands you had been talking with or brands that you have a relationship with, like even if you've been talking to their support team or like someone else on their product team about a feature that you really
Mhm.
wanted, see if they can get you a contact in the door. I really would lean on your relationships. So either your relationships with other creators who have an in for you, which often they do. And for brands, like Workflow probably has a marketing team that they've worked with creators before. They like to
Mhm.
be introduced to other creators. So, if it's a
Yeah.
company like that that you feel like, "Oh, they probably have a team around this," great, try to get in through another creator. Otherwise, I would leverage your LinkedIn network and try to, reach out to contacts there. "Hey, are you guys doing creator stuff? Are you doing influencer partnerships or sponsorships of any kind? I'd love to chat about a campaign. Who's the right contact there that I should